Hey, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I created this ad and how we're going to be utilizing this to generate massive profits for our business. And it is a snap. So all you do is you click the snap button and it copies the entire text to the keyboard, or you can just go grab this piece. This is going to go into my Facebook ad, and this is going to go into my email software. And you'll notice that it will actually transfer all of the formatting. I can also post this on social media, and the formatting, the bold, the italics, the emojis, everything translates directly across. So let's jump into the video. Hey, welcome. In this training, we're going to go through and utilize SociSnap to create an advertisement following some of the techniques that I learned from Matt 𝘕𝘴𝘱 in his email list building course. And while you can pick up the course and go through the techniques, we're going to specifically assume that you have that. And if you don't, you can just follow along anyway. I'll put some links below in the description where you can pick up the Ultimate Email course. It's really, really great. And we're going to be running an ad to the network that he recommends. So this is part of the process of actually field testing the techniques that Matt has talked about in the Ultimate Email package. Now, the Ultimate Email package is distinct from his book. So you'll learn more about that once you pick up his book for $5.60. I'm going to put the links below this video, and let's get started. All right, so this is my draft ad, and let me show you where it came from. I'm going to first save this and call this one SociSnap ad. But I'm going to load in the original copy. We ran some ads on Facebook that really, really did well. And this is the one that we actually have in our group, our Facebook group, that is a generic ad that you can customize whenever you want to be an affiliate of SociSnap. So here's how it looks. So basically, it worked with bold, italics, emojis, now launching. Click Learn More, and then right here you put in your affiliate link. And Facebook does allow these type of carrots. YouTube does not, so you just have to remove these. But you can use this emoji on YouTube. Notice how many spam words. All the spam words are in bold, so they are effectively removed from the conversation when you place the ad. So it allows you to actually use these very rich experiences. So this is the arrow, this is the finger pointing arrow. So I started with this ad already, and this is a already proven successful ad that we've run to promote SociSnap. And basically it follows a very simple process. Attention grabbing headline, the description is attention grabbing, and then your link appears twice and people click on it. And once they click, they buy. And you know, we've been able to generate sizable profits just running that on Facebook. What we're going to be doing now, we're going to be doing a lead generation ad. And a lead generation ad is distinct because it's a technique of asking for a coupon code. So let's run back to it. Here we go. I'm going to go into SociSnap ad. SociSnap. There it is. Load it in. All right. Save 30% on my super cool social media editor. Adds bold, italics, emojis to your ads and posts in a snap. The original ad we started with was, this is an ad that Matt wrote. Get 60% off my instant swipe file, a massive collection of 4,546. It's actually gone up to 4,999 now. 4,999 profit producing, click getting emails you can adapt, tweak, and alter for your own email or even email follow-in sequences. So a lot of the rules for hype don't necessarily apply to ads, but I still believe that bots read the ad in terms of its quality score. So, but they really are much more lenient on hype and sales language in an ad than they are in an organic post. So if you're actually trying to post something like this organically on Facebook, you definitely want to bold any of the words that show up in yellow, okay? And notice how none of the words in my ad actually show up, but now launching, click, rich, Facebook. All of these things are alert words when it comes to organic posts on Facebook. You can say, instead of click, you can say tap. But what we're going to do is we're just going to craft this ad, and we're also going to be crafting the email that goes with it. Okay, so here is one of the 4,999 email swipes that I got from Matt in his email course. And it says, here's your coupon code. Thanks for taking time to request my secret coupon code to get top-rated hosting for just $0.01. I've created an exclusive page here. The coupon code and instructions are here. Take advantage of this coupon while it's still good. Okay, so I'm not going to do that much of a discount because it's an established product, but the principles will apply. So let's go grab the copy. I'm just going to copy it here, and I'm going to go below here. I'm going to keep the original stuff because you can write very long elements in SociSnap. So here's your coupon code. So now here. We could say at this point in time, how about enjoy? Enjoy your coupon code. Never tried that. How can you enjoy a coupon code? Well, actually, I guess it will give you some joy. All right, so thanks for taking the time to request my fun snappy. We could do, instead of secret, let's use snappy. Snappy coupon code to receive instead of top rating hosting for just $0.01, we're going to say top. Let's see, there was one of the lines here Peter gave me was use the super secret tool I've used to generate head spinning profits. Can't use the word attention. Scroll stopping. Scroll stopping. Scroll stopping. Now that posts. Bold, scroll stopping, bold italics emojis in social media posts. Now he puts in the price for just $69. I've created an exclusive page here with the coupon code pre-filled and instructions, and I like to use on this page. Okay, then I put a link. Actually put the make that Take advantage of this coupon while it's still good. Talk soon. And I'll change that to Victor Grant. Come up, product creator. SociSnap. So I deviated from the formula a little bit, but this is going to go into my autoresponder. So as soon as people opt in, I'm going to be sending them this, and I'm going to make the coupon code snappy. So yeah, that's it. So now what I can do is I can save this, and I will overwrite the snippet. There we go. So that's ready to go. So this part is going to go into my ad. So I can also delineate that and say this is my ad. Okay. And down here is my email one. Subject, enjoy your coupon code, blah, blah, blah. Okay. And so now what we're doing is we're building a very, very simple list building sequence. It's going to add the lead to my list, and it's going to automatically send them the coupon code along with the link to go purchase the product. And it will also start them on a drip sequence to be able to make the sale. And it is a snap. So all you do is you click the snap button, and it copies the entire text to the keyboard, or you can just go grab this piece. This is going to go into my Facebook ad, and this is going to go into my email software. So that's our training for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.